Peace, family. My name is Amaziah, a part of Black Tech Networks, one of the content creators here. Wanted to bring forth a little information pertaining to infrastructure technologies and the future of it. What I do by trade is network engineering, and definitely I wanted to share some content with you guys pertaining to what the future is going to be for network engineering. Okay, so I was reading this particular article, and here's some of the information that we came across. We're just going to go through it bit by bit and talk about some of the nuances that we see. So what we have here, see, I'm bring myself over so you can still see me. All right. Enlarge myself a little bit. All right. So we'll start at the beginning. It says, although the realm of network engineering has long since been one that is hinged on antiquity, in recent years, things have drastically changed. In the past, the field has championed the ability to stick to old age methods and very much frowned upon using new technologies and methods, despite the perceived benefits of doing so. However, in light of recent events such as COVID-19, pandemic, and subsequent fallout, the economy has experienced. Many network engineers are realizing that embracing change is now vital to the long-term success of the field. For instance, predictive analysis, all right, predictive analysis, network automation, and cloud networking. There goes that buzzword again, cloud. Cloud networking are playing increasingly large roles in network engineering. With that in mind, the following is a closer look at each of the following concepts, and they stand to make an impact on the future of network engineering. So here we go with predictive analysis. All right, for all of those who are yet unfamiliar, predictive analysis is a term used to describe the use of historical data as a means of determining the likelihood of future outcomes. For instance, one of the most popular uses of predictive analysis is the credit score, right? We already know that the credit score. Using historical data from your credit history, companies are able to assess whether you will pay your bills responsibly. So here we go in cyber security. We'll kind of buzz through some of this to see in the future. Predictive analysis will play a major role in things such as cybersecurity, network performance. And let me just, so when we think of predictive analysis, because this may sound like, what are we talking about here, right? Cybersecurity, predictive analysis. If you look up a term, I think I have it as, it's cyber threat intelligence. If you look into this, you'll find out more of what it is they're talking about. Cisco leverages Talos, and it's a threat intelligence software that they use for they use it for like DNS or a part of their suite for DNS security. So when you consider predictive analysis, that's sort of what the realm of what it is that they're talking about. What happened to the article right here? Yes. So that's pretty much what it is that they're talking about and they're thinking about. All right, we're going to press forward to network automation. Network automation is a method of automating a variety of tedious tasks related to the network engineering field. By automating these time-consuming, mind-numbing tasks, you will be able to focus on more important aspects of the job. For instance, this makes it possible for network engineers to focus on new, exciting projects. So they're not getting into this guy isn't really telling you what it is that you need to know, but I'm gonna let you know. Definitely, you want to leverage languages such as Ruby, Python. These are those types of network automation type of languages that you're going to have to start learning. and knowing about. Now, I know that this may seem a lot for the newbie, because I know that's who we pretty much cater to, but you still need to know what's going on in the future, what's going to happen in the future. Network automation is going to be a norm. So we have to start with those buzzwords: Python, Ruby, and there'll be even some more languages to have to understand and know in the future. All right, also cloud networking. There we go, cloud networking. This guy says cloud networking, network computing is a concept used to describe the use of both on-site infrastructure and public cloud networks to access and manage network systems. Given the state of the business realm, many people have realized the benefits of using a hybrid method of network management. So what you're going to end up having is, when you think of cloud, you know, the big wigs: Google, Azure, and AWS. We'll just give you a little shot of that. You can go out and look at attaining certifications such as the Microsoft Certified Azure Network Engineer Associate. These are some of the things that you will have to get into and know and learn and know, so that you can be a subject matter expert, right? Expertise. Same thing with AWS. They have their own version of a network specialty, and it is called Advanced Network Specialty. They have theirs, and of course, Google has theirs. We're going to keep pressing with the article. All right, so what does he say? Bottom line: overall, the future of network engineering is based on simplification. Although the antiquated methods have proven to be effective, thus far now is the time to make changes that will help sustain the sector in the future. Predictive analysis, network automation, and cloud networking are three concepts that you will encounter often in the coming years. No matter if you are using programs such as Ansible, or if you're simply using the DevNet or DevOps, getting used to these three concepts is one of the best methods to prepare yourself for a successful career in network engineering. And what I'll say, the only thing that I'll add to this article, especially for the newbie, is that instead of being one of the people that have been in this field for, let's say, 5, 10, 15, 20 years, because there now is going to be a switch and a change, you stand a chance to get in where some of the like you said, the antiquated technology, where the knowledge of having that is not going to be as effective moving forward. You still need to know the basics. You still need to know just basic route switch technology. You need to know what happens with a packet. All right, once it leaves your computer and gets to that router, you need to understand that methodology, that technology. But this is a very interesting opportunity where you can jump in. Let's say you want to just go out and get a DevNet associate with Cisco. That in and of itself will potentially garner you 6 figures, and you're brand new, but you will know what you're doing. So that's just some of the things that we want to go ahead and offer and tell you about now. But that's pretty much it. That's all I have. This is Amaziah with Black Tech Networks. It was good talking to you, and hopefully you can get something out of this video, the short video. Thank you. Peace.